Hey guys, this is SolarRag333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Legacy Titans class Cybertron Metroplex. Now normally I show these off in the alt mode first and then transform them. The alt mode is garbage, so I'm just going to focus on the robot mode and the fact that I just got the DNA Designs DK-39 upgrade kit. I'll just say this right now, it is not worth the price. Was that 70 bucks? Hell no, not worth the price, especially when all I really wanted was hands. The articulated hands, which is awesome. So replace these very simple hands, and they just pop off, and you slide the new hands on the mushroom peg. Then there's like a gap filler. Like at the top. This piece right here, which is nice. I'm all for gap fillers. And then there's an extra piece. I think it's this right here. Makes this whole thing a lot bigger, but I guess the thing that made a lot of people happy about this was this guy, which to me, I don't care, but here's what I don't like. They gave him wheels here, but these are fake wheels, so these do not spin at all. That's a cop out. If you can add this here, why not do the same there? So to me, this is garbage. It does transform into his robot mode, which I guess there. There he is. Again, I could care less about this. So, again, I only bought them for the hands. I don't care about this and the gap filler in this piece. Was it 35 bucks per hand? This is garbage. The gap filler, I actually appreciate the gap filler way more than this thing. Just peg him on there. I think even this is more useful than this. But oh well. Not worth the price, but I really do like the hands, so I could only blame myself. I also wanted to show how these two scale together. Also have the HasLab Galactus, but I want to show it with the Sentinel here since they're closer in height. I didn't get the Giant Man. I'm done with HasLabs. Billion-dollar companies should not be crowdfunding. And yeah, so I'm done with the HasLab. The last HasLab I got was I think the Cobra Hiss Tank. I was very tempted to pre-order the Cobra Rattler. What made it easy for me is not having any money, so I won't regret that. Yeah, so it's weird. I'm sending mixed vibes. I do like the more articulated hands. That's what I've been doing with the Titans figures. I do get the upgrade sets wherever possible. So I did it with the other Metroplex. I did it with the Scorponok, the Arc, and so I wanted to do it with this guy. I never found the Nemesis. I would like to get the Nemesis, but I think priced me out. The eBay prices and whatever, and Amazon too. But yeah, there he is. Just wanted to show him off with the upgrade set. Thanks for watching.